Mana? Good morning, sir. This is Christian Polekebol. Today I discuss about basic terminology of ship stability and their effects on ship behavior. Buoyancy. Center of buoyancy. BHTKB. Buoyancy is the upward force extended by water that allows ships to float. It is equal to the weight of water displaced by the ship center. This displays volume and acts vertically upward. The distance from keel to B is called KB. As the ship's sails and chains drop, the ship and underwater volume change cause B to ships. These movements plays a major role in restoring the ships to an upward position. A higher KB generate and contributes better initial stability. Center of gravity is the point that through which the total weight of the ships acts downward. Kg is the vertical distance from keel to G. G is affected to cargo loading, fuel consume, ballast, and equipment and placement. If heavy weights are loaded high, G rises, making the ships less stable. A low G improves stability. Therefore, proper cargo distribution is critical to safe ship operation. Metacenter. The metacenter is the point where the line buoyant force interacts the ship's certain line. When the ship's sails slight, km is the distance from the keel to M. M is the theoretical point but extremely important in stability analysis. Metacenter height, GM, is the distance between G and M. Is the most important indicates of initial stability. Position, GM, ship is stability. Zero GM, ship is an natural equilibrium. Negative GM, ship is unstable. A very large GM causes ships with violence rolling, while small GM causes slow, uncomfortable rolling. Right arms. The right arms, GZ, is the horizontal distance between force of gravity of buoyancy. When the ship hills, it produces right moments, which returns the ship to upright position. Large right arms means stronger restoring force, improving safety during rough seas, wind pressure, and cargo ships. And that's all, sir. Thank you. Mana pre? Tam na pre.
Kailan? Tos.